Hey everyone, leader in audio technology FiiO has launched the FH19, their newest flagship earbuds, which are meant to please high-fidelity audio connoisseurs. The FH19 earphones, which cost $39.99 or $554, may now be bought on JD.com. Let's see the main features that set the FH19 apart from other high-end headphones. The FH19 is powered by an advanced configuration with 8 drivers at its core. 6 balanced armature drivers are paired with a 13.7mm dual dynamic driver unit, with a focus on mid-range purity, bass depth, and a large soundstage. This unusual appearance seeks to produce an immersive audio experience. FiiO used high-quality materials in the construction of the FH19 to guarantee its longevity and excellent acoustic performance. The earphones have an aircraft-grade aluminum shell from the 7 series, and a center structure made entirely of titanium. An organic and roomy soundstage is produced by the semi-open acoustic back chamber, which complements the sturdy structure. The FH19 incorporates a mid-range notch filter to improve vocal clarity and tune the audio output. A 4-way crossover mechanism further guarantees accurate frequency management, enabling every driver to function within its ideal range. The cleaner, more accurate sound is produced by the FH19 suspended voice coil appearance, which also reduces interference and maximizes balanced vibration. FiiO's unique S-turbo acoustic structure improves bass response by producing deeper and more robust low frequencies. It was inspired by the turbocharging seen in sports automobiles. A high-purity single crystal silver cable is included with the FH19 for the best possible signal transmission. Because the cable is interchangeable and has a 3.5mm or 4.4mm socket, it can accommodate various audio configurations. FiiO also has interchangeable audio filters that let users alter the sound signature to achieve brighter, more balanced, or deeper bass. Comfort played a major role in the FH19's appearance. For extended usage, the earphones' ergonomic fit and 10 degrees angle adjustment guarantee a snug and comfortable fit. To accommodate a range of ear shapes and listening preferences, the kit contains 22 pairs of ear tips in different types and dimensions. The FiiO FH19 earphones, which combine cutting-edge driver technology, high-quality materials, and painstaking engineering, set a new benchmark for high-fidelity audio. The FH19 offers excellent sound quality for both audiophiles seeking unmatched fidelity and casual listeners seeking a high-end audio experience. These earphones, which are currently available on JD.com, are sure to become a favorite among astute listeners. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.